everyone, welcome to National Defense Institute. In this video, we are going to check out the mirror images part 1. Okay, so let's get into the topic. Mirror images is nothing but the reflection that we see in the mirror. Okay, yes. This phenomenon, there is a phenomenon in this mirror images, it is called horizontal conversion or lateral inversion. Okay, the left and right will change, whereas the top and bottom will not change in this. Okay, unlike the water images, what changes, top and bottom will change, left and right side will not change. Over here, left and right will change, the top and bottom will not change. Okay, so that is the mirror images concept behind this. Okay, so these are the types of mirror images questions that will occur in the Science School examination or RMS examination. So alphabet based, number based, alphanumeric, images and clocks. So these are the types. So we are going to discuss one by one. First, the alphabets. This is how the alphabets will be facing in the mirror. Okay, so A will not change, not a big change, whereas B will be having a big change. C does have a big change. In the water images, C will not have a change, but in the mirror image, C will have a change. Okay, so this is the small a, B and C, and then this is how they are written as a word. For example, if you write a word like A, B, C, in the mirror images, it is written as C, B, A. Okay, in the lateral inversion. Okay, yes, C is written like this, B, and then A. So the order 1, 2, 3 should be changed into 3, 2, 1. That is how you write it. Okay, yes. For example, if your name is Karthik, okay, Karthik. Okay, so first alphabet should be K, and second is C, and third is I, fourth is H, fifth is T, sixth is R, seventh is A with less change, eighth is again K. Okay, this is how you write it in the mirror images. Okay, so the 1, 2, 3 should be changed to 3, 2, 1. Right? This is how you do it. Alright guys, check out the question and start solving the question. Let's see. As I said, you can see that E should be coming first over here, not like this, not this E, but the last E which is given in the real image should be written like this. Over here, we can just write E. By eliminating the option, we can just eliminate option 2 because E is having the same. Okay, yeah. And the next word, next alphabet is V. So V is remain unchanged. Over here, we don't have V. They have written from this area, so we can eliminate option 3 as well. Okay, and the next word, next alphabet is I. Okay, next one is T, no changes. C, we will change C. Okay, yes, both the options are having C as it is. And the next again is E. Okay, E, yes, and the next one is F. F should be like this. Okay, over here F is the normal F, so we can eliminate this option as well. Okay, so the answer is 1. So this is how you solve the mirror images questions of alphabets. Okay, yes. Now it is time for you to solve the question. Try to solve the video. So look at this word supervisor R. Okay, this is starting with S and then ending with R. So the last alphabet is the alphabet we are going to start with. So it is R. So R should not be written like this. Okay. So if we write R, this is wrong. The correct R should be written like this. This is the right way to write R. So we can just write R like this. Okay. So we can eliminate all the options which is not having R like this. So we can eliminate option 3, option 2, option 4. We can easily come to a conclusion that the answer is 1 by eliminating all 3 options. All the 3 options is not having the proper mirror image of R. Okay. Let's check out the next one, guys. So this is how we have to solve the question. Let's check out the next one. So numbers. Numbers is the second type. 1, 2, 3 should be written as 3, 2, 1. And this is the order. Okay, first, second, third should be written as third should be the first, second should be the second, and first should be the last one. Okay, yes. This is how it is. Kindly check out. And it should also be converted laterally, guys. Okay, lateral inversion should be done. Okay, this is the question. Next question. 2, 4, 7, 5, 9, 6. Let us start. Okay, let's start with the last number. Okay, last number should be the first number over here, and first number should be the last number. Okay, yes. 6 should never be 9. 6 should be like this. 6 in the mirror image should be like this. Okay, and then 9. How 9 should be? 9 should be like this. This is the right way to put the mirror images. Okay, I'll just tell you the water images of 6. Water image of 6 should be like this. Get it? Water image of 9 should be like this. This is the water. Water. This is the mirror. Okay, mirror. Okay, so we can just come to a conclusion that this 6 is not changed. So we can eliminate this option. This is starting with 2. We can eliminate this one as well. Okay, over here. Okay, you can see that in the mirror image, the 6 should be like this, not this. So we can eliminate second option as well. Okay, this is the right answer, option 4. If you have guessed the answer, very good, well done. Try to guess the next one as well. Start. BR4AQ16HI. Yes. Yes. What is the first step? We are going to write the last letter to the first one, and then the followings. H should not be changed, written as it is. And then 6 should be like this. And then 1 should be like this. Okay. And then we can eliminate Q. Q in the mirror image should be like this. This is how the Q should be. And then Q, we can eliminate all the Q's which is not like this. The Q in the first option is like this. In the third option is not like this. So we can eliminate option 3. We can eliminate option 2 as well. Okay. So now the real competition is between first option and fourth option, which is correct. Okay. So A is unchanged. 4 is same in both the options. R is also same, and so is B. Okay. Check out the next one, guys. Check out the next one. BR4AQ16HI. What's wrong here? Okay, 1 is here. Q. A is not changed. R. Okay, and then B. Okay, so what is the right answer? This 9 is actually the answer. Okay, we can eliminate this 9. Roll through pillanda. Okay. The page roll through pillanda. Okay, this next. Okay. Now you try to answer this question. BR4AQ16HI. Try to solve this one. Yes. First should be the I. The last one should be the first one. Okay. And then H. Then 6 should be like this. Okay. We can eliminate all the options just having 6 as 9. So 6 as 9 should be eliminated. Okay. So 6 as 6 over here is second option. So we can eliminate second option as well. And next one is 1. 1 should be written like this. And Q. We can eliminate Q which is not having properly like this. So over here 1 is the correct answer, whereas Q over here is not the right one, which is the actual Q, real image Q. So we can eliminate the option 3 as well. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Now you are going to check out is the images. Okay, yeah. So after the number and alpha, numeric and numeric, we are going to check out the images. Okay. The left and right side will change, top and bottom will not change. That is what given over here. Yes. You can see that the left side there is an apple, right side there is an orange. This is the real image. Okay. And in the mirror image, you can see that the right side orange comes to the left side of the man, and the left side apple comes to the right side of the man. So this is the phenomenon happening over here, lateral inversion. Okay, yes. Let us check out the objects which is changing and which is not changing and how they are changing. Okay, triangle is not changing, star is not changing, square, circle, hexagon, trapezium. These are the objects which are not changing. Okay, and the changing are parallelogram. Okay, yes, the arrow marks will definitely change. Okay, yes, you can see that. And let us start solving the questions, and when solving the questions we will get to know how the images are changed. Okay, let us start. This is the first question, guys. Try to find out the answer for the first question. Question image 1, 2, 3, 4, which is the correct answer. Okay, you can see the question image. This is the question image. The answer image should be, there should be a dot. Okay, and inside that you should have a curved arrow like this in this way, and then over here we should have a circle. This should be the right answer. Clearly that we got option 3 as our right answer. Okay, yes. And we'll move on to the next question. Let's check out the next question. This is the next question, guys. Check out the answer. Yes. You can see that. I'm just going to draw over here itself. Okay, this is my mirror. Okay. This right side should be coming towards the left side. This circle should be coming over here. This arrow mark which is also in the right side. This is my right side and left side. Okay. Should be coming over here. Okay. Okay, and now over here we should have a shape. This is my answer, and here also we can see that the only option which is having the circle towards the left side of the mirror. Okay, this is the left side of the mirror, right side of the mirror is option 3. Okay, yes, very good, very good. If you have guessed it. Okay, then next is the clock based question. Clock based question is very simple, and this is the exact thing of mirror images. Okay, you can check out this. 12 is 12. Okay, 1 is 11 over here. Okay, 1 is 11. 2 is 10. Okay, 3 is 9. 8 is 4, which is 4 is 8. 5 is 7. 6 is 6. So 12 is 12. 6 is 6. Okay, so as this one. Okay, 11 is 1. 10 is again 2. 9 is 3. 8 is again 4. 7 is 5. So these are the things we have to know. Let's check out this. Check this out. 1 is 11. 2 is 10. 3 is 9. 4 is 8. 5 is 7. 6 is 6. 3 is 9 again. Okay, 9 is 3. Okay, like this it goes on. Okay, this is how you have to frame. This is how you have to know the mirror images of clocks. Okay, try to solve this question, guys. Okay, you can see that the question image, the timing is the hour hand denotes 7. Okay, the minute hand is denoting more than 10. Okay, 10 or 12. So you can just see that. Circle. Okay, this side, if it is pointing out, the arrow mark should be, the minute hand should be this side. The opposite, this should be the case. Okay, so by that means we can see that the answer for our question is nothing but 4th option. Okay, it is very close to the second option. The only difference is the hour hand. Hour hand is over here. Okay, so the hour hand should be over here, should be very short. Okay, so the hour hand is over here. The minute hand should be extending. This is the minute hand. Okay, so the correct answer is option 4. Okay, yes. So this is the concept behind the mirror images. These are the types of mirror images, and in the part 2 video we will be solving the questions of mirror images. And if you want to join in any courses of Sainik or RMS, you can enroll this. You can just contact this number, and also you can check out the description for the link. Thank you. Jai Hind. Check. Last page would be okay. Okay. Last page would be okay. So if you want to enroll your children in the course, you can contact this number, and people who are aspiring to join the Sainik school, you can contact us if you want guidance or coaching. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.